What's up, guys? Now I was going to show you a hacked Subway Surfer app. It So open it, and then when you go to the store, it will say, you will see up in the corner how much coins you have. It will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'm gonna show you, if you buy something, you're not losing any coins. It's a limited coins hack that has been installed into the Subway Surfers app, and they put it out on 4share.com, and if you look in the description you can see the link and you can download it too. Let's see, load. It's loading. So let's go to shop. See up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then try to buy something. Hoverboard. See, try to buy a hoverboard. See, I'm not losing any coins. It's the same amount of coins that I had before I bought anything. I can buy how many hoverboards I want to buy, because I don't lose any coins. Try to buy a mystery box. I don't lose any coins. Oh, there I got coins, but I already have. Now let's see. Look in characters. Look, I can buy this. I can buy Frank. Look, 40,000. I got the same amount of money. I can buy what I want. I can buy everything. So now I'm buying all the characters. And that is what it. That's the point of the app. And I looked at YouTube, found another video with a link to this app, and then I bought everything. So now let's try to run. Fuck, it's lagging a little bit. It goes pretty good. I know why it's lagging. It's just because they put the hack into the app. If the hack wouldn't be in the game, you couldn't buy anything. See, I can do whatever I want, and it's good quality on the app. That was everything that I wanted to show you. So I'll put the link in the description, and then you can download it too. Yeah. Like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you next time. Goodbye, guys.